Y'all already know what time it is. Whenever Sephora announces they have a favorites kit, y'all, I have to go run and get it. We have the brand new Sephora Gleamy Dreamy kit, followed by the It's Giving Nude Lip kit. And I want to know which one is actually worth your value. So you guys want to see what these two are all about. Are they actually worth it? Well, then definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you guys know, I absolutely love Sephora favorite kits. They are some of my absolute favorite because they remind me so much of the Play by Sephora, which I miss terribly. But for me, I feel like these are even better. So there's two different kits that just launched. We have the Gleamy Dreamy kit right here. This retails for $52. There's going to be 11 items in here, 2 of which are full size. These are supposed to be 11 of Sephora's best-selling makeup products. Now, for the It's Giving Nude Lip kit, this retails for $45. There's 7 items in here, and 3 of which are full-size products. So I'll make sure I kind of list at least what the full-size products are down right here in this little bubble, right down here somewhere for you guys to see. But I just want to know which one's going to be actually worth your value. So we're going to go into the Gleamy Dreamy kit right here. Like I said, this retails for $52. I love the little packaging right here. If I have any duplicates, I'm definitely going to be passing it forward to you guys. But I'm just really curious because for $52, only 2 of which being full-size, it kind of makes me give a little side eye because the Vacay All Day, which by the way, guys, is officially back in stock. It was one of my favorite. I'll link it down below. That one had more full-size products in it than anything else. So I'm just kind of curious why this one is a little bit lower value, but I just want to know, is it going to be worth it? So like I said, there's 11 products in here, 2 which are going to be full-size. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alrighty, so the first item we have in here is going to be from Too Faced. This is going to be the Ribbon Wrapped Lash right here. I've actually never tried this mascara before. I heard great things about it, but I've never physically tried it. Ooh, I like that wand. That wand looks really nice. It's definitely up my alley. I really don't know what the price of this would be. It'd be like me trying to guess based upon math. Let me tell you, I suck at math. So I'm just going to list the full-size prices. I'm not going to try with these little ones, but it does come with a little mini mascara. Next, we do have a little mini travel size of the Milk Makeup. This is the Hydro Grip right here. This is a phenomenal primer. And this would have been great when I went on my cruise. This would have been a perfect item to have on my cruise because it's a great travel size. And I feel like even though this is only going to have 10 millimeters in it, I feel like this is a great amount of product. So I feel like you can get so much out of this. I feel like this is a full, like, at least 2 to 3 months worth of products. So you really don't need much to put on your face. If you do too much, it becomes a little bit overwhelming, but you just do like 1 or 2 squirts and that's enough to cover the entire face. So I feel like this could really last you quite a bit, if I'm going to be completely honest. Next, we come with the little Say. Ooh, what is this Say one? So this Say one is going to be a glowy super gel, lightweight, dewy, multi-purpose illuminator and warm glow. I have actually never used this product, so I don't really know how this product is. Oh, it's a little squirt. Okay, so it's going to look like so. And what, do I just put this on under my makeup or over my makeup? I think under. So it's going to look like this. It's going to give your skin a beautiful luminous glow, which I really, again, on the days I'm going to have like a no makeup look, which is kind of what this is going for. This is what they're absolutely going for. Because when I looked on the line, when it talked about this product, it said that they were going to do 11 of Sephora's best-selling makeup for the no makeup look. And I feel like you can definitely utilize that for this right here. You put it on, give yourself a nice glowy base. Again, I've never tried this before, so I'm actually really excited to give this one a go. Next, we do have, ooh, this is from Kosas. This is going to be the Air Brow right here. And this one says that this is going to be the full-size product. So this right here, okay, so this right here, it says it retails for $25. Mind you, the bag is $52, so it's like half the bag right there for the most part. I love the way the component looks. This is going to be Air Brow Clear and Clean Lifting Brow Gel Eye with Lamination Effect. Not always the biggest fan of lamination, but I will say the bottle looks really cute. And this is going to be the first full-size item that we have in here. Very teeny. Doesn't really have a smell to it. So I'm definitely going to have to try this out. I also love that it has a little bit of a holographic shift to it. It's really pretty. Okay, so up next, oh my God. This thing is tiny. Oh my God, this is going to be Prada. This is going to be a little lipstick. This is how the lipstick looks. I thought, oh my God, a little crushed. It's going to be in the shade... Oh my God, it's so tiny. I can't. What shade are you in? This is going to be a multi-chrome hyper matte in the shade BO2 Quartz. So let's go ahead and swatch this. Ooh, that could be really pretty. It's almost similar to the lip color I'm wearing right now. Okay, nice. I've not really tried Prada Beauty at all, so I'm actually really excited to give this little itty mini a try. That's actually really cute. Oh my god, this is so cute too. Okay, this is from Tower 28, and this is going to be the Tower 28 Lip Softy Tinted Lip Treatment in Watermelon Kiwi. This is a sheer baby pink. Oh my god, it's so tiny. What the heck? This is adorable. Okay, wait, let's swatch this one. So this is what it's going to look like. Oh, that smells incredible. Those two would probably honestly pair very, very, very nicely together. I feel like that's a really great combination. And again, this is a perfect little, like, put this in your purse, on the go little lip product. It probably won't last you as long, but it's actually really cute. Next they threw in a Rare Beauty. This is gonna be a liquid blush in the shade called Happy. I feel like this is always in a Sephora favorite kit. I always get these all the time. This is always somehow in here or in their advent calendar. They're really good about passing these along. I think it's also because they sell these like as little travel sizes for like 15 bucks, which isn't a bad deal at all. But we have the shade called Happy, and Happy is going to look like so. This is gonna be Happy right here. Really pretty blush. Oh my god, this is so tiny. What? I have never seen it this tiny before, but we have this little itty mini from Benefit. This is going to be the Benetint right here. And this is supposed to be a cheek and lip stain. And let me tell you, this is the tiniest thing I've ever seen. Like, what? I didn't even know they made it this size. Like, this is like a sample size. This is like what they do when they're like, hey, let's try out a sample. Send it to you so you could try out. Oh my god, that's actually hilarious. Wait, what shade is this in? Because I know they came out with 2 new shades. I can't read that. I can't read that. This is going to be in the shade called Rose, and it's going to be this little stain that you guys see right here. These things are really good. Again, these things can last you for a very long time. So even though this is super tiny and like very little product, at the end of the day, 2 dots go a long way. These are going to be a stain, so you can use them on the cheek or your lips. You just need 1 or 2 to add some pigmentation, so you really don't need a lot with this. I've had so many of these at this point, and I never even make a dent in them. So for me, I feel like this is kind of a cool little idea of having a little small size. Next, they threw in, oh my gosh, hello, itty bitty Huda Beauty. What? This is gonna be the little Huda Beauty blush filter in Strawberry Cream. I actually don't have this shade. It's so tiny. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, wait. Okay, smells like watermelon. Ooh, and that's a pretty color. That's a really pretty color. It's going to be that right there. That's really, really pretty. Again, I feel like because of how much blush I have, this is a great way to try out the product without breaking the bank to do so. So that's actually pretty exciting. And it's super, super cute. And then lastly, for a full size, we do have a full size of Refi. This is going to be the Gloss Highlighter in Topaz. This is a highlighter. Are you serious? Okay, wait. Okay, so this product retails for $26. So let me go ahead and just swatch this so we can see what this one looks like. Like I said, this is going to be in the shade called Topaz. Ooh, okay, so it's going to look like this. And this is going to be the product right here. So this product retails for $26. So you have the Kosas for $25, and then you have the Refi for $26. So ultimately, it already equals the price of the bag anyway. And then you're going to get 9 other deluxe sample size with it. I feel like this is also really pretty, by the way. This is a liquid highlighter. That is absolutely gorgeous. So the fact that you are spending $52, you get essentially 2 products worth that price. And then you also get 9 more deluxe travel size products right here. I think this bag is still going to be pretty worth it in my opinion, because at the end of the day, half these products I would never buy because I wouldn't want to spend the money on it not knowing whether or not I'd like it. So the fact that I could try it out in this form to see if I really do, I absolutely love. That's why I think the Sephora kits are always so worth it, because it just remind me of a better version of the Play by Sephora. I can try out the products without breaking the bank to do so. So for me, I think this one is absolutely incredible. But if I had to choose between this one or the Vacay All Day, I probably would still pick the Vacay one all day. Like I said, that one is still officially back in stock. But this one right here, if you want to try these products, it's actually not a bad value. So I'm pretty happy with that. Now let's move into the Sephora It's Giving Nude Lip Kit. This retails for $45. There's gonna be 3 full-size items in here out of the 7. And this one says it's a go-to nude lip wardrobe with 7 essential products for the perfect lip combo. Discover your ultimate nude lip kit combo with this gorgeous 7-set lip kit. Curated with a mix of lip oils, lipsticks, and lip liners, this set is everything you need for soft, plump, and perfectly polished lips all season long. And I am so excited to dive in here because I already see one of my favorites. I already have it right here, which is going to be the Nays Glaze Clay Tinted Serum. You guys have seen me talk about this since the Sephora sale. These are $22. These are absolutely fantastic. I'm really excited to dive into this. Alrighty, so the first item, so the first thing we have is going to be from Lawless. This is going to be their Forget the Filler. This is going to be in the shade called Nudie, which I actually don't have this. I love this. I love the Lawless Ricket, the filler lip glosses. I think these are underrated. I don't see enough people talking about them. My personal favorite is the shade called Lavender Sorbet. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. But they have a little mini one right here, and this is going to be the shade called Nudie. I actually don't have this shade, so I'm really curious to see like what this color is. So let me see. Oh, it's straight up just like a beautiful like peachy nudie beige right here. That's actually really exciting. I really do love their lip kits. I really do love their plumping glosses. I think they're so pretty. So this would be really exciting to pair with like whatever lip combo I have. This would be a great little plumper to put on top. Plus it has a really wonderful like watermelon scent. Next, we have one of my favorites. This is going to be the Haus Lab. This is the pH Hybrid Lip Balm right here. This was supposed to be a 4-in-1 lip balm. You're going to have a lip balm, a lip gloss, a lip stick, and a lip plumper all in one. This is supposed to help to plump the lips without adding that extra tingling sensation, that heat sensation that I don't like. I have two shades myself. I have the shade Praline and Cocoa. Those are my absolute favorite. I ranked them, I think, in my top 2024 lip product because they absolutely were. So this seems to be the full-size product right here. I think this one is. And it's a restock of my shade called Cocoa. This is one of my absolute favorites. This and Praline are my favorites. So let's go ahead and swatch this because I desperately needed a new one because I'm pretty much out because this is in my work bag at all times. And this is how this product looked right here. Tell me that is not absolutely beautiful. These are fantastic. If you guys have not tried any of the Haus Labs pH Hybrid Lip Glazes, let me tell you, besties, you're going to love me for this whenever you try this. I'm telling you, it's so good. All right, up next, we have a little mini super boost right here. This is from Makeup Forever. I wonder what shade this is in. This is giving me the shade called Wherever Walnut, which I actually believe I do have somewhere on my desk. I have it. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. This is the full size. This is the little mini size right here. So let me go ahead and swatch my full size so you guys can see. This is another beautiful, beautiful lip gloss. And this is the shade right here. This is the Wherever Walnut. This is going to be matching their lip liner. It's such a beautiful formula. Beautiful high shine formula. I had no problem with this. I really enjoy using this. The applicators are very, very unique, different from other applicators that I have, but really beautiful lip gloss nonetheless. It went viral for a reason. And now they put a little mini one in here. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, next I threw in a full size of the Merit. This is going to be the Signature Lip Sheer Lip Liner in Capricorn. I actually don't have this, and I've never actually tried this before. Oh, it's a twist up. Interesting. Okay, so let's go and swatch this. Okay, that is really pretty. That's actually going to match this lip kit so nicely. That is really nice. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, wait, I might have to try one of these lip combos and see how I like them. Okay, so next we have a little... Oh my god, this is from Tarte. Y'all, this is the Maracuja Juicy Plumping Lip Oil. Oh my god, that is tiny. Oh my, that's like the size of the Benefit one. Oh my god, that's actually quite hilarious. Like, this is so tiny but so cute. Okay, this is going to be in the shade called Cinnamon, which... do I have this shade? Wait. Okay. I think I do. Okay, I think I do because this just says cinnamon, but I think this is the same thing. Well, no, this is the lip vinyl, so this is not the same thing. Then I don't think it's the same thing, but we're gonna swatch this. Okay, wait. Oh, that's so pretty, and it's like a little brush. Okay, wait. This is the shade right here. Tell me that's not beautiful. Tell me that is not beautiful. Oh my god, that's so pretty. It smells really good too. Oh, that's gonna be exciting to try. All right, next we have something from YSL. This is going to be the Love Shine Lip Oil Stick in the shade 44. Okay, lip oil. That does not look like a lip oil to me. That looks like a lipstick. Am I crazy? Lip oil stick. Is that not a lipstick? Lip oil is this. This is a lip oil. Right? Yeah. We're just gonna swatch it because I feel like I'm confusing myself. Okay, you know what? This is their lip balm. I wouldn't necessarily say lip slick, but this is their lip balm right here. It's really pretty, but kind of threw me off. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of threw me off. but that's actually such a pretty shade. I really do love all the YSL like Love Stick products. They're absolutely fantastic. And whenever you guys get them because of me, you guys always reach out and say thank you. And I'm just like, they're fantastic. Okay, last but not least, we have the Laneige. This is gonna be the Glaze Craze Tinted Lip Serum. We have the shade right here called Sugar Glaze. I have mine right here. This is gonna be, I'm gonna swatch mine. I'm not gonna swatch the new one. This is gonna be like a cinnamon donut style right here. It's like a donut right here. This smells fantastic. I absolutely love this lip product so much. Like, I'll put it on right here so you guys can see. Like, look at how pretty. It is so amazing. I love it so much. It's why I went and bought pretty much every single shade that they came out with. I went and bought because I absolutely love them. I recommend them so highly, and they will be rated my number one lip product so far this year because they're absolutely phenomenal. So for me, I think this lip kit is absolutely worth it. Like, absolutely worth it. First off, this right here retails alone for $22. The bag already retails for $45. Then you're gonna have the full size of the Merit. You're gonna have the House Labs PH Hybrid Glaze, which retails for $26. So already you are getting more out of your value with this one than you are with the Gleamy Dreamy bag right here. You get 3 full-size products equal well over $45. So for me, if I had to choose between which kit I'd recommend to you guys personally, oh, it's the It's Giving Nude Lip kit. This is going to be worth it all day. These are all the products that I already know and love. These are all the colors I know and love. And this is going to be the perfect go-to lip kit literally all year round. So if I were you, honest to God, don't wait. Don't wait to go get your hands on this because this is probably going to sell out very quickly because of how beautiful these shades are and how worth it is in my opinion. So let me know in the comments below which kit you like which kit you guys think is worth it most. I will have them both linked down below along with my favorite. It's Vacate All Day. But y'all, you guys already know that Sephora favorites are my absolute favorite. I buy them every single time they come out for the most part because I think they're so worth it. They're a great way to try out these products without breaking the bank to do so. So with that said, guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for the Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.